Bridging that way you say. So me want to know what the streets have to say.
I'm not business about people, sir. I'm not business about people. Business about me. I buy my house first.
Yeah, buy your house first.
Yeah. I one lady do the cocky explorer. Remember, no money in the hand before cock bore more.
Lord, so real to blood, real.
What going people, you don't know your boy Jnel. Watch you know. This is the second episode, boy, 1 year after. Imagine you wait for one episode and one next something for one next year. Jesus Christ, Jnel, you're not going good enough. But watch you know, episode 2, a street say. So right now the talk of the town is, the man them say, yo, them go buy them fat ride and then the business about house because them can skate on the toll in them ride. You understand? Them can sleep in them car. So watch you know, I know what me have to say, and what the street have to say. So right now we're the downtown Kingston, one of the most controversial place. We're going to see what the people have to say. Fat ride first or the house? Alright, my G, so watch you know. One thing I go around on the internet from what day, you see me? When the man them say, yo, them don't want the house, they want the fat ride because the house can skate on the toll. Which one of them you think come first?
House, brother, man, a real estate, man. You know, a thing come down, cause, man. Yeah. I'm telling you, man, you can live in a house and rent out the house and all of them sitting there.
Yeah.
You understand?
Then you can't get the fat ride.
But must.
I can't sleep in my car now. Car go froze every day, just a continue sleep night and a spray it out, you understand? A frozen man, the man that nasty man who want to sleep in a car, yeah man, and don't want to buy no house.
I don't know nothing, man. Prefer buy a house and then buy a car. That's how they did it.
Yeah.
You see me? I love comfortable myself, you know. Love when girls say assets in our house, TV and them things. When girls comfortable, you think more militant.
She not comfortable in a car.
You can't comfortable in a car, because through AC in there. By the time you sleep, you must sweat.
What you do first? Buy the house or buy the car?
Really not truly. I buy my car.
Car?
Yeah, my car.
What make?
Well, really and truly, you know, the house now move, but my car can't move.
House can skate on the toll. House can drink.
Come watch an interview where a girl say, couple years ago she get a deal with piece of land, or a Tida. And right now she tell herself, so she sorry she never take the piece of land.
So Tida she take?
Tida she end up take. So when the person where I interview asks her, say, so where the Tida there? She can't tell her.
By the time sun come out, the car hot. You see me? You go burn up in a car, you see me?
True.
Every day in your house, in your cool AC and them things there. You can't buy car for house. A stupidness that, you see me?
Yeah, right now, it depends, you know. It's a situation, so it depends. If you have money for buy a ride and feel like you want to buy a ride, you buy a ride. And then you buy a house. If you want pre-house first, up to you. So I just up
which
to
one you feel like make more sense?
Which one me feel like make more sense? I feel like me the work for my house first. But if I get a quick money right now for buy a car, I buy it.
For one day I see it go up on the media now. But my choice still is a fat ride still more than a house. God know.
Why you say that?
House can't drive.
House can go capes, you go buy girl things.
Yo, the house, you know, cause you see now, watch you know, well, when me I grow up, my people them say, yo, rather they buy a house so you can put your family and them thing there, you know. With the beast, them, you can't sleep in a beast, but you can. But you're not going to be comfortable like a bed. Suppose you have a woman now, where you going to put her? That's I think. So like now, the youth them just stay in school, get them education, buy them house, then them can buy them car with it.
That is it.
Yeah,
That is it. What do you think?
Say house because, as him say, you can live in a car but you can't live in the long car. Now, you have your bed. You're not comfortable in your bed like you're comfortable in a car. And me personally, I have my house and I take taxi and go and do my thing. But at least when I go home, I have my house, I can take care of my food and things. And everybody if you stay in a school, get education, get them subject, and then them can buy them house and buy them car like them I say. So they go on.
Youths are the future. Youths, you know, hear that? Stay in a school, taking education, you see me? That is it.
Them can sleep in the car, but better, the car go moldy, brother. House, you have people, you have cook, you have your bathroom, your kitchen.
I tell about the car more important than the house. Because I can house in my car, and make money in my car, and move around my car, all over more I'm going to my island. So when I'm at the house, stay till after I can buy it. That's my basic answer.
Then suppose while you have a car now, the car get knocked. Where you go?
Well, I'm a car and get knocked, I just stay with my car and sleep in my car and do everything in my car, because my car is like a house to me.
No man, you can still in the car when rain fall and sleep, but when I want pee and defecate, I have to go, no, I have to go in my inside bathroom, I step out of my room, I go in my bathroom, definitely my house.
Definitely house.
Yeah, and then the car come after.
So what you think about the people when you say the car first because the house can't skate pan toll and them thing there?
Right now, I'm muggling them up and show off in a hype life. Yeah, and come show off on them friend and them family.
I don't prefer the house. Well, them wrong, you know. The right thing is to get a house. You get the house, and then after you can do anything after. Okay? The car now, you can't sleep in the car forever, brother.
True. So you can sleep in it one night, 2 nights. And...
Yeah, but listen, the house is better. It's when I say after now you can get the car. If you do what you want to do.
So what you think about the man that say, yo, I'm no business about house and a fat ride and rent house, and I know I'm alright?
No, them are waste time there, so. The reason why them are waste time there, so you better them have something for themselves.
Well, I hear me right now, them not no sense, you know. I have to have my house.
Yeah.
I have to have my house. Because if you don't have the house, you can't live nowhere. And you have to live somewhere to buy a car, to put the car. So when them attack, I fool them attack.
Yeah.
Furthermore, I'm a fisherman. It's anytime I get rich, I get a house first before me buy a boat and engine. Me for tell you that.
So you get the house first before the boat and the engine?
Of course. Because I have to have a house before I can put out 3, 4, 5 engine night and know say, yeah, my house, that, my engine in there. Yeah. But you go buy a car now, and we have to put the engine. Well, oh my God. You hear me?
Yeah.
Where car is Portmore? Taxi stand me there.
Yeah.
My name is Raymond, man. I want some selfish. Just come from sea.
It's a Portmore taxi stand.
Portmore taxi stand, we sell fish. Just come from sea. We not sell nothing, we go for I will stay 2, 3, 4, 5 days. No, from the sea to the pot, from the pot to the belly. And many a river man. May the good Lord go with the whole house. Yeah. I forget my house first.
It must be a house, or you gonna live in a car.
Some of them say they live in a car and so them good.
Or where you gonna park the car to live in the car.
So what you think about the one them must say at the fat ride first, them no business about us because the house can't skate on the toll and them thing there?
Them not have no ambition. Them don't want to reach nowhere in life. Because you have to have a house before you can park a car, because you park the car in the house or beside the house. You gonna park the car in an open lot?
Who not gonna park the car in an open lot? Them gonna do what?
Them not jack up the car and take off the wheel and have it inside and you sleep, see me and you don't know where you're going. And when they get up, you realize the wheel gone off a car.
Yeah, they put out some black and white.
Yeah. So it's best for you to buy a car first.
No,
buy a house first. Yeah.
House are the first thing you have somewhere to push your head.
Yeah.
You understand me? And then the morality bill, everything come from that now, because you have something for contain all things.
Yeah.
Seeing so. The fat car can come after. But the real thing, I push it towards a house. That means your family them secure and you secure and safe.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Man, that you are dirty man. Me I tell it straight and fast. Trading a dirty man. Him know him not an ambition. And it's a woman that put him out of house.
A lie.
Woman that put him out of house.
Put him out?
Put him out. Woman that beat him.
One next foreign girl can't come beat me. Please. But just make sure you have money this time. Please. I will take it. Please.
The woman that beat him. Them man they are money cool. Money cool that. Money cool that. The money not ready.
Well, right now, I say the house now. First and foremost, I say the house, because you can't live in your car.
But some of them say them live in them car.
Well, it depends on them demeanor, them pocket. So you have to do what you have to do.
Yeah.
Right, they say it there.
So you said the house first.
I said the house first.
And the car after.
And the car after. Or you say business, then house, then car.
Yeah.
I guess what now? No matter about if house can skate pan toll, brother, that a fool should not come with you out. You have to have your house, you have to have somewhere, you know, say, you're comfortable around, brother. You can cook. Yeah, brother. You can't cook in a car, brother. You can't cook in a car, brother.
You can't buy the little stove, the thing.
Them something already, brother, what them do. Them something already. A big foolish that. You understand, my father? Yeah, brother. So you better, I'm tell you what you have to do. Buy your house, then after you rent your house. Me buy the car.
Yeah.
I say it for come down, my G. No fubble double thing, you understand?
Yeah.
Press believe, my father.
Alright, my G, big up.
House first.
So what you think about the people when you say?
Me no business about people, sir. Me no business about people, business about me. I buy my house first.
Yeah, buy your house first.
Yeah. A one lady do the cocky explorer. Remember, no money in the hand before cockboard more.
Say Mama Africa, unity, hard work, strength and success. Down Africa, yes I.
Let me sell out them ya, mother, gather to me, heap, diggy, dung, them ya, cheap, 2 bills, 3 bills. As a she move, as a she rock, as a she buy another. New blouse, new shorts, new style, them ya, nice, diggy, dung, no, mother, do act shy. How she woke up in the good things, them cheap, the nice things, them cheap. How you want, mother, welcome to me, Eve.
Them can't style river tandem. Come de de for a while and rich in a 1 month. Scrap I and myself so me we scrap a van front. Now watch boy where I boy and yam girl watch ya. Them can't style river tandem. Come de de for a while and rich in a 1 month. Scrap I and myself so me we scrap a van front. Now watch boy where I boy and yam girl watch ya. Me not afraid hustling in my trade. Now watch me dirty clothes little more when me beard. Yeah go see ya who your girlfriend a praise. And you see by the case and a Cushman a blaze. British gold chain and diamond in her ears. No fussy test me have my Glock pa my waist. Watch a bad mind one day I hide him face. The bartender girl have to fix her face. Car them can't style river tandem. Come de de for a while and rich in a 1 month.
That is it, people. Thanks for watching the next episode. I almost a 3 question. The next episode of Street Says. So watch and more to left it in the comment and tell me what I get first. The house or the car. I want to see man I tell me say the house can't skate on the toll. But as me say, and about what me say, you understand what the streets say. Thank you for watching. Leave it in the comment. You understand? Subscribe to the channel. Click the like button on the video. Cause yeah, we put out the work and the sun hot. I'm in a full black. I'm look good still. Nah, lie. Watch it now. Thanks for watching, peeps. I'm out.